Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use Discord on your desktop or Mac. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. I'm going to go over all the basics, so buckle in and let's get into it. First things first, this is the page that you're going to be introduced to when you simply go ahead and log in into your Discord account. And now on the left, there's going to be a direct messages tab where you can simply go ahead and direct message all the people that you have as friends. You can also simply go ahead and click on friends. As you can see, there are friend requests right over here. You can simply go ahead and accept those if you want to as well, just like that. There's also a Nitro button where you can simply go ahead and subscribe to Nitro Pack on your Discord, which will give you a bunch of features. Not really necessary, but you can go ahead and do that. There's also a shop option where you can simply purchase multiple type of banners and stuff like that, as you can see. And on the left hand side, there's going to be your add a server and discover a server button. So simply go ahead and click on add a server. This is how you can simply go ahead and create your own server. You can either start from a template or you can create your own, or you could also click on discover and join other people's server. When it comes to joining a server, once you go ahead and join a server, what you can do is join their voice chats, and this is where you can mute, unmute, you can deafen, undeafen. You can also go ahead and start activities and play with other people right over here. And the other thing you can do about Discord is you can simply go ahead and share your screen by clicking on share your screen and clicking on allow. This will let you share your application screen and capture devices. It is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.